my channel. So tonight I wanted to talk about the My Disney Experience app. So first of all, with My Disney Experience, there is the online version if you go to disneyworld.com, and then there's also an app that you download to your phone and log in with the same login information, and that is basically your key to the kingdom. You do everything through My Disney app. That's where you will link up all your reservations for your hotel stay or your park tickets. You will do your park reservations. If FastPass Plus comes back, you do it through that. All your dining reservations, all of that is through My Disney Experience. Now, that's how you do all your pre-planning through the website. You can do it through the app as well. But once you get to the parks, once you land on Disney World property in that bubble, it is a totally different app. A lot of things suddenly will come into play, and you can use the app for so many more things. So before you go, you actually check in to your hotel online via the app, actually. And with that app, you check in. You can put your credit card information that you would like to have on file for any incidentals or to use throughout the parks. You also can use it to open your door to your room. It's so cool. You literally open it up on your phone, hold it in front of the sensor. No, you don't even have to do that. You simply open it up on your phone and say open door. Your door unlocks and you walk in. Like I said, with the online check-in, you actually check in online, and when your room is ready, you get a room number sent to your phone, and you don't have to go to the check-in desk at all. It's amazing. You actually did get your room assignment prior to COVID. That's not necessarily a COVID thing, but they really expanded on that and made that, they advertised it more with COVID because it is a contactless entry. So you definitely want to use the app for check-in. You can use it to open the door to your room. Also, it's really great because you can book, like I said, dining reservations on it. So if you're scrolling through and you happen to say, oh, we don't have any idea what we're going to do for dinner tonight, there happens to be a reservation open for, I don't know, Tusker House. You can book it real quick on your phone, and that makes things so much easier for you. But the bigger thing right now, especially because of COVID, is all the quick service restaurants are only doing mobile ordering. So what that means is you have to order your food on the mobile. I should have my phone. It would make so much more sense. You have to order your food on the app, and you pick a time when you want it to be ready. And they're actually saying right now that because that's the only way you can order food, you can't just walk up to the restaurant, that, like, if you want to order lunch when you get to the park at 9, 10 a.m., go ahead and order your lunch at that point. They don't make your food. They wait until the time you chose, but those time slots are getting taken. So go ahead, order early, dinner several hours early, that kind of thing. So that's another really good thing, good reason that you would need the app when you go to Walt Disney World. And then again, it's just a really great place to have all your plans in one area, and it's really nice. I live and die by it when I am at Disney World because, like I said, it has all our plans and everything. So yeah, that's why you need the My Disney Experience app on your phone when you go to Disney World. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more information like this. You want to hit that bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, and don't miss out on any of this valuable information. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video because it helps me out. Thanks, guys.